Almost every edge of each home has these irritating invaders. These kinds of insects are dangerous to both of your personal hygiene and entire health. People are still familiar with some old traditions and methods in order to prevent them from coming, but over a period of time, these practices have become inconsistent in addressing them. It requires procedural therapy in the continuation in order to get rid of them. Here are some home recipes to keeping them out of your home forever. Starting with ants. All you have to do is to cut the cucumber into small pieces and out them at the entry point of the ants in your kitchen. Ants contains a natural instinct to avoid the smell of cucumber. Bitter cucumber slices works a lot better. The spray of soap water also works against the ants. It will kill them and it will stop their movement. Moreover, crushed pieces of mint leaves or mint tea bags are also good as an anti-ant agent. A combination of both mined apple jelly and boric acid as a deterrent against pharaoh ants. In order to kill ants in your colony, all you need to do is to combine a liter of water with 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of sugar. Put some cotton balls in the solution and place them in a yogurt container with some holes drilled from the inside in order to allow access for the ants. The ants will carry these baits in their home or colony, where they will die afterwards while eating. 2. Cockroaches. People often use a lot of products that are available in the market in order to keep those cockroaches away. The best way to get rid of them in your kitchen is to maintain the cleanliness and tidiness of your kitchen. If you have cockroach problem at home, wash your house with a strong solution of soap. The sliced cucumber that was placed at the entry points of cockroaches discourages them in the kitchen. In addition, combine equal amounts of boric acid powder, as well as sugar powder and corn flour. Prepare it as bait and place it on the area of likely movement of these cockroaches. It will work as a poison for them. Place the boric dust on the kitchen cabinets and between the ceiling and cabinet spaces. Boric dust is poisonous in nature for them. They will eventually test them, and when they go to their nests, it will kill the other cockroaches that will come in contact with the infected one. 3. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are to be expected to reproduce in motionless water and dirty places. And so, it is extremely necessary to maintain your environment clean and ventilated, taking tangible steps in order to get rid of the motionless water sources. A mixture of garlic juice that is used as a spray repels mosquitoes for at least 6 hours. Just simple add 1 part of garlic juice and 5 parts of water in order to create the mixture and spray it on your body. It is non-toxic and extremely effective. Furthermore, neem oil that was extracted from the leaves of neem tree is also an extremely effective and non-toxic solution. You can apply neem oil on exposed skin in order to discourage mosquitoes. It is also a good food for the body in order to kill other dangerous bacteria that attack your immune system. The marigold plant has the ability to provide the fragrance which is anti-insects and mosquitoes as well. You can simply plant a marigold in your garden or yard in order to deal effectively with mosquitoes. 4. Flies. The best way in order to keep the flies away is to maintain your home and its surroundings clean and tidy. Little sachets of crushed mint leaves can be put around your home in order to hinder the flies in entering your home. Additionally, eucalyptus oil is also good for repelling flies. Just pour some drops of it into a cotton cloth and put in the areas where flies are a problem. It will eventually discourage the flies from entering your house. Thai lemongrass is an effective mosquito deterrent plant. It comprises citronella, which is known to be safe for humans. Just break a stem from this plant, peel the outer leaves until you find a chive as a stem at the base. Rub the stem between your palms energetically and it will eventually become a pulp and juicy mass. Now rub all of this on your exposed body parts. Mosquitoes will not dare to touch and get near you. Wash your drain with hot boiling water and bleach powder in order to get rid of the infestation of flies in the drainage system.